In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring your Wix website to life with animations using Wix Editor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding dynamic, eye-catching animations to text elements on your Wix site, helping you engage visitors and make your site stand out. First, let's make sure you're in the right place. Open up your Google Chrome browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. From here, enter the Wix Editor by clicking on Edit Site. The Wix Editor is a user-friendly platform that allows you to modify and customize your website with ease. Now that you're in the Wix Editor, let's focus on the text element you want to animate. Click on the specific text box you have in mind. This will activate the text settings, allowing you to make various adjustments. You might want to take a moment to ensure that this text is exactly how you want it, both in content and styling, before proceeding to animate. Next, we'll add some animation magic. With the text element still selected, look for the Animate button in the top menu and give it a click. You will be presented with a variety of preset effects to choose from. These options range from subtle fades to more dynamic slides and bounces. Click through the options and preview how each animation will look on your site. Consider the mood and style of your website when selecting the right animation, perhaps a gentle fade for a professional site, or a fun bounce for something more playful. For those who want to venture beyond the preset animations, Wix offers a powerful tool called Wix Velo. This coding environment allows you to craft custom animations tailored to your specific needs. If you're comfortable with a bit of coding, you can dive into Wix Velo and enhance your text with unique animation effects. This involves understanding a bit of JavaScript and how to implement it for website interactions, giving you control over timing, duration, and additional animation parameters. Once you're satisfied with your animations, it's time to see them in action. In the editor, you'll find a preview button at the top corner of the screen. Click this to preview your site and see how the animations roll out in real time. Take the time to navigate through your site, checking how the animations impact the overall flow and user experience. Finally, feeling confident about your bespoke animations, hit the Publish button. This makes the changes live and ready to wow your visitors with the new energized look and feel. Remember, good design is not just about looks, but how it makes your audience feel and interact. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to inject some vitality into your Wix website using animations. Whether you stick with the preset animations or dive into custom coding with Wix Velo, animations can dramatically enhance the user experience. Thanks for watching and happy animating!